Okay, to start off chapter 8, we're going to go over some things that you learned in 6th grade, but I know it's hard to remember all the formulas and stuff, so I wanted to do a review day before we get started. So the area of two-dimensional figures review. The area of a parallelogram is A equals base times height. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. You may have heard 1/2 times base times height. In the end, you'll get the same answer. I prefer base times height divided by 2. Just, I don't know, for different random reasons, but I think it's easier to remember that way. Area of a trapezoid is the height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. And the area of a rectangle is base times height. 1A, find the area of a parallelogram. So when I look at this, I'm going to go my width, or my base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And my height, I find somewhere where my height is a right angle, and I go up from there. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So my height is 8. And the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So you take 8 times 6 is 48. And since there's no label, you would just say units squared. Circle it. And that's my answer. Find the base of the parallelogram. The area is 48 meters squared. The height is 6 meters. And now we have to work this backwards. So the area of a parallelogram is base times height. They gave us the area is 48. We don't know the base, but we know that the height is 6. So to get the base by itself, we're going to divide by 6 on both sides. And we get 8 equals B. So the base is 8 meters. And we circle it, and that's our answer. 2A, find the area of the triangle. So again, I'm going to count my base, count how many units my base is, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And then I count my height, and I have 1, 2, 3. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So area equals, the base is 6, the height is 3, divide by 2. So area equals 9 units squared. I circle it, and that's my answer. 2C, find the base of the triangle. So we have the height is 6 meters. We don't have the base, which is what we're trying to find. And they tell us that the area is 24 centimeters squared. So we take A equals base times height, divide by 2. We have the area is 24. We don't know the base. We know that the height is 6, divide by 2. So this goes back to my chapter 7, so hopefully I remember it. To get rid of the divide by 2, I multiply both sides by 2, because what you do to one side, you must do to the other. And we get 48 equals 6b. And to get b by itself, we're going to divide by 6. And so the base of this triangle is 8 centimeters, which is the base I think we got on the last one. We circle it, and that's our answer. Okay, find the area of the trapezoid. So we write out our formula. A equals the height times base 1 plus base 2, divide by 2. Area equals, the height is 7, base 1 is 12, base 2 is 5. And it doesn't matter which one is base 1 and which one is base 2. You could have done 5 plus 12. Commutative property of addition allows me to do either way on that. And then I have A equals 7 times 17, divide by 2. I'm going to have to come over here to finish it. So I have A equals 7 times 17 is 119, divide by 2. And the area equals 59 and a half inches squared. And I circle it, and that's my answer. For A, find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is base times height. So I have area equals 7 times 14, and 7 times 14 is 98. So the area of my rectangle is 98 centimeters squared. I circle it, and that's my answer. Last one, for C, find the height of the rectangle. So area of a rectangle is base times height. We know that the area is 27, and we know that the base is 3, but we do not know the height. So we're going to circle the variable that we're trying to get by itself. This is a multiplication, so to undo it, we divide. And 27 divided by 3 is 9. So the height is 9 inches. I circle it, and that's my answer.